Hi everyone. Today we are going to make air fry pork chop. So we are going to make the marinade sauce for the pork chop. So as you can see, I have scallion chopped up and then also garlic. Okay, and we are going to be using the Vietnamese fish sauce, and we are going to use the dark soy sauce, and of course gotta have some ground white pepper powder, and we also need some brown sugar. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to put about maybe half a tablespoon of pepper, and I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay, and we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. And just 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And we're gonna mix it up. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil in here. Right, so this is gonna keep the pork chop moist. Alright, so now we're gonna add in the garlic and the scallions. Alright, so this is going to be the sauce that we're going to use. Alright, so let's get over and we're going to talk about the pork chop. Alright, so I have bought some pork chop and I clean it and dry it out. It's very important for you that you can either use a scissor or the knife. Make sure you cut each one of these edges off. Otherwise, if you cook them, then your pork chop will all curve up like this. Okay, so make sure you cut them around the edge. All right, so let's just go ahead and marinate this meat. All right, so I'm just going to use the brush, and I'm just going to brush this onto the meat. And then I would leave them in the refrigerator for about an hour. And then we'll come back and we'll put them in the air fryer. I'm going to do both sides. The seasoning is thick enough, it's not runny. All right, we'll put it in the fridge and be back in an hour. All right, so I have put all the seasoning in here. Now we're just gonna let it sit in the fridge for about an hour. I have a little bit of leftover scallion, so I decided to throw on top of it. So we'll be back in an hour. Okay, so I put 1 piece of pork chop in the air fryer. And it's gonna go in here for 350 for about 15 minutes. Okay, so here's the finish of the pork chop, air fry pork chop, and we are going to have it with rice, and also we're gonna be putting some fish sauce. Fish sauce is optional, so if you wanted to add on it, fine. If you don't, you can eat it just the way it is.